Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the Lovable badge in your website, even if you do not have the Pro plan. Now I'll walk you through. As you can see here, this is my website. This is the website that I created using Lovable, thanks to Lovable AI. I find it really easy to use and the output is beautiful compared to other AI app that I tried. Now, it just looks professional. I like it. It's just what I want. Now let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to the settings. Now I'll show you that, as you can see, that's the hide Lovable badge there. I can just toggle that. I can just, edit this one and hide it because I have a Pro plan. But I want to remove this forever, even when I do not have the Pro plan anymore, or I no longer want to be connected with Lovable. So all I have to do is command the AI with this prompt, add to the CS to remove anything with the ID Lovable badge. And please. So immediately the AI can do that for you. It will take a little bit of just a few seconds, really, probably about 10 seconds or so. Give the AI time to edit everything. It won't appear it here, but later on, as you checked it, it will also take time. Now you have to refresh this. Okay, refresh it and then check it out. As you can see, it's still there. It's still there. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Now, I'll check it. I did another refresh here. Refresh it and then check it. So it's still there. Don't worry. Don't panic. It is really going to happen. I also did check it with another browser. After everything's okay, I'll show that to you in a while. Then I checked it again because I recorded this I did the screenshot first before I put this before I record the voiceover. Anyway, so yeah, it's already gone. It's gone. It's hidden. So now I'll check it here. This is directly on the website. It's still there. Give it some more seconds or time, and then you have to update that. So whatever you did in the Lovable, it will also be updated outside where I hosted my website, because Lovable is a platform where you do all those stuff, front end, and but you have to update that, so it will send the code to where you host your website. Now give it another time. I'll show it to you. Now let's go to the website and refresh it. There you go. It's gone. Isn't that amazing? It's just so amazing. Now I was using another browser, and yes, voila. It's hidden. No more Lovable badge. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will help you. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.